Done replacement of side mirror. Look at that. Ta-da! Hi. The other side. Hello. Yan. Ito yung replaced parts. Yan. Basag. Ito yung isa. Temporary side mirror. Gamit naman. Isda. Malinis na uli yan. Gwapo na naman yung aking e-bike. Yes. Oh, may plate number yan. 2025 bike and e-bike permit 5613. Oji. Yan. Good. Very good.